What's going on, everybody? So I want to talk about my next swing play, and that is going to be Uber, UBER, ticker symbol. And one of the reasons why I am going to swing trade Uber is because I really, really like what it's done ever since the start of April. So in the start of April, what it did is broke above the 50-day moving average, which now for me is going to put us in a bullish context. As you can see, going back to about the middle of March, it broke beneath the 50-day moving average and kind of traded below the 50-day moving average and the 5-day moving average for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 11 or 12 days. So about 2.5 trading weeks. And when it finally broke above and closed above the 50-day moving average, it has been also trading above or at the 5-day moving average. So for me, this is also putting us into very bullish context on ticker symbol ticker symbol Uber. So basically, what levels I am looking for here on Uber is a 65.50 break here. Okay, we are going to run into a little bit of traffic here on the upper Bollinger Band at about 61.92. So if you do enter into this trade, just expect a little bit of resistance, maybe some up and down choppiness as soon as it tries to clear that whole number of $62. So, from the price of about 61.80 to about 190, $62, you can expect a little bit of choppiness until Uber can break through that previous, you know, form of resistance. So $61.50 is what I am looking for Uber to break out of. Currently, I do have contracts now. I am anticipating a little bit of the break before it actually breaks out. However, I am also keeping a very tight stop on this at about $58.85, which for me is going to be the 10-day supply zone here. As you can see, this blue line that I'm highlighting here is the 10-day simple moving average. So this supply zone here, I am going to use this as a support. If it cannot hold this support going forward and it breaks beneath this supply zone here, I will exit my trade and cut my losses. So I am going to use this as my support zone here. I did anticipate the trade, entered in a little early, so I know that I'm going to get a little bit of chop until it's able to confirm 61.50. However, I am okay with that. The contract premiums were not that expensive. Uber doesn't really have a big range in the day, so it's not going to go up or down $5, $10 like some of the bigger stocks, for example, Amazon or Tesla or Netflix. Some of those stocks they have really, really big ranges, so they can move 5, 10, 15, $20 in a day. So if you kind of early anticipate your moves, your entries on those type of stocks, your emotions are going to be fluctuating up and down as the stock is fluctuating up and down. But with Uber, it doesn't really have a big range. I am only looking for a 2 to 3 point move on this if it can confirm a breakout of 61.50, $62 here. All I am looking for is a retest of the all-time highs of $64. That's where I'm going to be looking to take some profits. So I'm looking at about a 2.5 point move on this swing trade. I'm giving it a timeline of about 1 to 2 weeks for this move to happen, hopefully sooner. So that's where I'm at with Uber, and that's why I'm watching it here. So I really, really like it, just due to the fact that since the whole month of April, it has been above the 50-day moving average. It's also been at or above the 5-day moving average as well. And now we are reaching the upper Bollinger Band here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 times it's tested this upper Bollinger Band here. It's been rejected and then found the 5-day supply zone as support here. So as you can see, it's been really, really getting tight. And on Friday, we kind of actually settled right here exactly to rest at the 5-day supply zone. So I am looking for either a breakdown and a support level here at the 10-day at $58.75, and then a rebalance, or I am looking for a bounce off of the 5-day to the price target of 61.50. So if you're looking for a nice little swing trade, let the stock do its thing, let it build above $61.50. and the potential target would be about $64 on that first initial move. So take profits anywhere from 62 and a half, 63, 63 and a half, 64. I would try to lock in a lot of profits and maybe just keep a runner. If you're trading options and let's say you have 10 contracts and you've sold out of everything at $64, maybe hold on to one or two just for, you know, a sort of continuation. It's a free trade at that point. If you're trading stocks, let's say for example you have 50 shares of Uber and you sell out of 40 of them and you hold 10 as a runner, just use that as sort of, you know, like a guide. You don't want to just sell out of everything. Kind of hold a runner. Becomes a free trade at that point and potentially able for you to stretch out a little bit more profits here. So, you know, I'm kind of just looking to clear out this channel here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Soon as we can clear out this whole channel here and break above 61.50, I am looking to test 64. Also, just going to kind of use a 10-day break below on the daily candle. Any close below 58.75, I'll just cut my losses and reevaluate the trade then. But until next time, guys, I hope everyone has a great day and a good trading session tomorrow.